In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project manager in Notion. We'll go from a blank page to a functional, customizable hub you can use to organize work, track tasks, and keep projects moving. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page in your workspace. This gives you a clean canvas to work from. You can give it a working title now or later. The title isn't critical yet because we're about to bring in a template that sets up the structure for you. At the bottom of the new page, look for the templates option and click it. This opens Notion's template options so you don't have to build everything from scratch. If you're taken to a general templates area or gallery, click templates again to enter the full marketplace where you'll find a wider selection and detailed previews. Use the search bar and type project manager. This narrows the results to templates specifically designed for project tracking. You'll see a variety of layouts, some geared towards simple task lists, others offering timelines, Kanban boards, and dashboards. Take a moment to scan through. Look for templates marked as free if you're keeping costs down, and open the previews to see what's included. Good signs to watch for are a task database with properties like status, priority, and due date, plus views such as board, calendar, or timeline. Once you've found a free option that fits your workflow, click Add. This brings the template into your workspace so you can use it immediately. If you're prompted to choose a workspace or a destination, select where you want the template to live, and Notion will duplicate it there. With the template added, you can edit it to match your process. Start by reviewing the main database and its properties. Rename fields to match your terminology and add or remove properties such as assignee, tags, or effort if the template already includes them. Adjust the status options to reflect your stages like to do, in progress, review, and done, and reorder them so the flow makes sense for your team. Open each view and tailor it. Group a board by status, filter a list to show only active projects, sort by priority or due date, and switch a calendar to highlight key deadlines. If the template includes sample projects, use them to understand how everything connects, then clear or repurpose that data. Finally, customize the page layout, descriptions, and any quick links so your most important resources are front and center. And that's it. You created a project manager in Notion by starting a new page, opening templates, aspints, searching for project manager, selecting a free template, adding it to your workspace, and refining it to fit your needs.